Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone Dome Glass Clear Case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now this box is a clear case, so I'm going to open it and see what we're going to get inside this box. Alright, so inside the box, just one clear case. It is put inside this plastic packaging, so we can pull it out. Alright, the case seems to be quite thick. It is a clear case right here. Now you can see the top here is very flat, so that it would fit with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's just try to bend it a little bit. It appears to be quite a strong case. Had a hard back right here, hard plastic at the back, with a nice soft rubber on the side. And there is also a cover, so you need to peel out the cover so that you can see the shiny bits on the back here. So if you want, you can peel it off like this. So there is a grabbing in here. It doesn't pull out. Maybe we have to kind of like get it out with your fingers. I'm just going to do it on this side first, see if I can pull it out. So I can't remove the grab. There is a grab in here, where we just have to peel it off with our fingernails. Alright, so here it is coming off now. Alright, so you can see there is a film cover, so it doesn't show the scratches. Now again, you can peel it off if you want. If you don't want to peel it off, you can leave it on. So after a while, if this gets scratches, you can remove it. But I'm going to peel it off now, so you can see there is a grabber at the back here. If I can, maybe I should do it from this corner, because that's where the stickers are. So you can see this sticker is supposed to pull it up like this, like that. Okay, so that will help us to remove the film. Alright, so you can see on the corner here on this case there are air pockets. So these air pockets are designed to help if you drop your phone on the floor. It helps cushions the impact, and hence will minimize the phone from cracking. Alright, so I'm just going to turn off the screen now and put the phone in this case. Now I have this pad here. I'm just going to take it out. This pad just helps to protect the back so it doesn't get scratches. And you can also use the pad to clean the screen as well. So this pad here is ideal for cleaning the screen. Alright, so I'm just going to remove that and then put the case on. So this is what it looks like once you put the phone in the clear case. It's quite nice, very well designed. This case, you can see here on this camera compartment cutout, it actually covers the camera. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see it actually erase over the camera lens, which is really good, because what you want to do is have this high enough so that when you have your phone lay flat on the table, it's actually protect the camera lens. And here are the cuttings around the edge of the case and the buttons. So if I press on the button, it's quite soft. I can easily press on the button to turn on the screen. I can press it to decrease or increase the volume. And it's also quite comfortable to hold on my hand as well. I feel like it has a good grip. It doesn't easily slip out of my hand. So, and the bottom here, at the bottom cutout. So the cutout is perfect. Have enough cover for the microphone, the charging plug. It is big enough for most charger. So if we plug in, say, one of this USB-C, it actually fit in. You can see the cutout is quite large, so it allows you to have a different connector connecting to your USB-C port. And the cutout also, it just enough for the loudspeaker, and it also has a cutout for the S Pen as well, right here. So I can pull it in and out easily. And again, on each of the corner has an air cushion on each of the corner. And there is also a razor at the edge on each of the corner. There's a small razor right here. The razor will help from the back from getting scratches. So if we lay the phone flat on a hard surface like that, when you rub against the surface, this razor will helps the back from getting scratches. And that's it. So that is what a clear case would look like on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now there are also a camera protector as well. So if you want to protect your camera lens, I will also recommend you get a protector for the lens as well. As you can see, they are quite naked like this, floating out in the open, and it can easily get crack or scratches on your camera lens. And yeah, so this is the clear case. If you like a clear case so that you can show off the color and the beautiful design of your phone, then this would be the case to get for your device. So that's the Whitestone Dome Glass clear case for the S22 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.